Welcome to Out of the Box and Into the Shop, or Out of the Box and Into the Yard. Today I'm going to open 6 tools for you. Show you how they come from Worx, ready to work. Maybe you need to open up some of these for Christmas. If you're a builder, or a DIYer, a handyman, hobbyist, crafter, or, like myself, a creative grandparent, you're going to need some great tools. Now the first one we'll open is the handiest portable work table I've ever used. It's called the Worx Pegasus. Opens like this, comes with 2 clamps, 4 clamp dogs. The table weighs only 35 pounds and will support 300 pounds. You can clamp just about any strange shaped project you may be working on this table. Every work area has to have a drill driver. This is Worx drill driver set. You get 2 well-built, powerful 20-volt tools, the drill driver and the impact driver. There's always a manual, a 3-year warranty card. Hey, take a moment and fill these out. You get 2 20-volt max lithium batteries. Now they're part of the Worx battery share program. That means that any Worx 20-volt battery will fit any Worx 20-volt tool. Share them around. You get a charger, you get 2 bits. You're ready to work. This is the Worx Axis saw. It's 2 saws in one. Out of the box, you get the manual, you get the 20-volt max lithium battery and the charger, and 4 blades are included, one for wood, metal, aluminum, and you get a recip blade. I said a reciprocating blade. Take a look at this. This jigsaw converts with the push of a button into a recip saw. There's even a small dust blower built in that blows the sawdust away from your cut line. This is the tool you reach for when you're not sure what tool to reach for. It's the Worx Sonic tool. It's an oscillating cutter, scraper, sander. Out of the box, you get this electric model. There's a cutting blade, a scraper blade, a sanding shoe, and several sanding discs. There's also an Allen wrench for changing blades around. This is the Worx jaw saw. Out of the box and into the yard, this is the electric model jaw saw. You get the saw, you get an oil fill bottle, you get a chain tool, and a bottle of chain oil. The chain has auto tension. Think a quick yard cleanup saw, a pruning saw, a saw without having to bend over like you would with a regular chainsaw. The chain is protected from hitting the ground. Add oil before you use, and these jaws will allow you to cut things at 4-inch diameter. This is the Worx 20-volt LED work light. It's portable, it's powerful, it's adjustable. You can hang it, you can fasten it to a surface. It comes with a 20-volt max lithium battery and a charger. You'll find some creative uses for this handy tool. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, let us know. Now get out there and build something creative. Happy holidays.